Good morning, student. I am Archana Vasantrao Sonpasare, Assistant Professor at Shiv Chhatrapati College, Aurangabad. Today, we are going to see the subject banking and insurance. Okay, so you all aware about these two terms, banking and insurance. Now, what is banking? Banking क्या है? आप सभी को पता है बैंक इज व्हाट वेयर वी आर गोइंग टू डिपॉजिट द मनी. इट इज एन इंस्टीट्यूट वेयर वी आर going to deposit our money which are in spare, or any person when he wants to save some money he goes to the bank and deposited in saving account. Here we are going to see the meaning and concept of banking. Okay, so bank is nothing but it is a place for the deposition of money, or an institution generally incorporated authorized to receive deposit of money, to lend money and to issue promissory notes usually known by the name of banknotes. So bank is nothing but it is an institute. Generally it is incorporated and authorized, and they have a rights to deposit the money, to lend the money, and also issue promissory note as well as other negotiable instrument. Okay, now this is the introduction regarding towards the banking. So bank are the important segments in Indian financial system. Okay, you all agree with this concept that bank are the important segment of our Indian financial system, because it is going to support our Indian financial system as well as our national economic development is also depend on the efficient banking system. There are various categories of stakeholders of society use the banks for their different requirements, and that requirements is going to be completed with the help of this banking system. Banks are also financial intermediaries between the depositor and the borrowers. Apart from that, accepting deposit and lending money, banks in today's changed global business environment offer many more value-added services to their clients. Like today, we are using net banking or online transaction. Today, that is here is the no requirement to go to the physically in the bank and stand in a queue. Online we can do any transaction. This is the digital era in the banking system. Okay, and the central bank, that is the Reserve Bank of India, is the central role playing for the regulating, supervising and facilitating the Indian banking system. Now, bank means what? So bank is nothing but it is the service industry where various services are provided to the clients, like डिपॉजिट है, लोन्स है, उन पे जो है इंटरेस्ट प्रोवाइड किया जाता है, जैसे क्रेडिट कार्ड है. ओके, देन इंश्योरेंस. दिस आर द वेरियस services which are provided by the bank. Now, meaning of the banking: an organization which does most or all of the following: receives demand deposits, time deposits, pay interest on them and honors instrument drawn on them, discount notes, make loans and invest in securities, collect checks, drafts and notes. It also certifies depositors, checks and issues drafts. So these all are the various services provided by the banker to its client. Okay, now we are going to see the definition of banking. Okay, so bank is an institution which collects money from those who have in spare or who are saving it out of their income, and lend this money out to those who require it. ओके, सो कॉमनली जब भी कोई कॉमन पीपल उनके इनकम में से कुछ सेविंग करना चाहता है तो वो नेचुरली बैंकिंग में इन्वेस्ट करता है या फिर बैंक में अपना अकाउंट ओपन करके वहाँ पे जो है उसका जो मनी स्पेयर में है जो भी वो सेव करना चाहता है बैंक में डिपॉजिट करता है. Okay, then all those institutions which are in the business of banking are called financial institute. Okay, now here are the various services provided by the banking like retail banking, insurance broking, claims, life insurance, risk management, bank operations, loan, SME and corporate banking, relationship management, non-life insurance, underwriting and credit card. Okay, so this is all about the word banking and banks. Okay, so I hope these all concepts are clear to you. For today, this is our first lecture regarding towards the bank and banking.